Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Agumon from the show Digimon. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin kind of towards the top of our paper, and we're going to make an eye. So I'm going to start just by drawing a circle like this. Now, right here on the circle, I'm just going to make a little kind of pointy line like this, and then a little pointy line like that. Then I'm just going to color them in. Then I'm just going to make a dark line kind of right around the top and bottom, just so they all look like they're connected. Next, at the top, you want to make a circle like this, and then you're going to make a smaller one down here. Then right inside of here, you want to make a little curved line so it looks like a little circle. And then you're just going to color this middle one in. Next, we want to make the eyebrow. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to kind of go up at an angle, and then it's just going to come down. And then really close to the top of here, you just want to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve like that. Now the other eyebrow is going to start here. It's just going to go up. It's going to kind of come down and then curve in. And then to make the nose, you just want to draw a line. It's just going to go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve around. Then right here, I'm going to make a line. It's just going to curve down. And then I'm just going to bring it up here, put a couple little bumps in it, and then just curve it down like that. Then right here, you want to make a little sad face and a little curved line right next to it for the nose. Now, for the bottom of the mouth, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then I'm just going to kind of bring it up like this to right about there. So it looks like a little T-Rex face. Now, up here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up and down for the little ear. And then you want to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve around. Now, he's got about 4 little teeth right here. So I'm going to start with one little V shape like this. And then I'm going to put 2 more over here. And then I'm going to put 1 right up here. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little curved line that goes down for his neck. And then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down and then curves around here for his chest. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around for his stomach. And then I'm going to start back up here and kind of make his arm. So right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve down. I'm going to make a little curved line, and then a line that just kind of goes down. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go all the way down here at an angle. Then I'm going to put a little curved line like this, and then I'm going to bring it back up. Then I'm going to draw another line that goes out, another little curve, and then I'm just going to bring this all the way up to here. And then I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve right around here. You want to make a couple big claws on this hand. So I'm going to put 2 really long kind of V shapes. And then I'm going to put 1 more right over here, kind of hidden behind this one. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of curve out and then down. Then I'm going to make another line that just kind of goes out. It's going to kind of curve around. And then I'm going to put another one that just kind of curves around here. And then it's just going to curve back. Put those long claws on there again. And then I'm going to put one little one right there, kind of hidden behind there. Now, starting back up here by his arm, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to curve down for his tail. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here for his leg. We're going to go all the way down to here. You want to make a line that just kind of goes straight across. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it and then bring it over here for a toe. Then I'm just going to add a little toe there. Draw a little line that goes up, down, and over for another one. And then one more that goes up, down, and over. And then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes right across here, and then one that goes right to there. And then just kind of bring this over here. Then I'm just going to make a line that just goes right up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then over at an angle. A little diagonal line right there just to show where that other part of the leg is. And then I'm just going to make a line that kind of goes up. It's going to kind of curve down for that other foot. Little toe. And then we'll make another one right here. And then one small one right there. Now, right here, I'm just going to draw a little line for part of his chest. And then I'm going to put a little curved line right there for part of his jaw. I'm going to make this line a little bit longer and then a little curved line right there for his knee. And there you go. There is your drawing of Agumon from Digimon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.